dancers, so in this video I'm going to be showing simple steps for ages 5 to 6, and in the next video I will be putting all these steps together and teaching you a dance. So the first step we are going to go over is grapevine. So with grapevine, you're going to step out to the side, scooch over this way, step out to the side with your right foot, and then step behind with your left, cross it back, and then step out with your right, and then bring it together. Okay, let's try that again. So step out with your right, cross back with your left, step out with your right, and together. One more time to the right. Step out with your right, cross back with your left, step out with your right, and together. Now we can try it to the left. Same thing, but you're going to step out to the side with your left, cross back with your right foot, step out to the side with your left, and together. Do it again to the left, step out with your left, cross back with your right, step out with your left, and together. One more time to the left. Step out to the side with your left, cross back with your right, step out with your left, and together. Good, now let's try both sides together. So, you're gonna step out with your right, back with your left, out with your right, together, and then step out with your left, cross back with the right, out, and together. Let's try it a couple times together. Right, left, right, together, left, right, left, together. A little bit faster. Right, left, right, together, left, right, left, together. And one more time. Out, cross, out, together, out, cross, out, together. Good, and that is grapevine. The next thing we're gonna learn is a pivot turn. So you're gonna step forward with your right foot, and you're going to pivot so that your legs open to the side. You're gonna pivot all the way to the back. So your left foot should be in front, your right foot should be in back. And then you step forward with your right foot again, and you're gonna pivot, open your legs to the front. When you do a pivot turn, you can't pivot this way because your legs will cross. You wanna pivot so that you open up to the back. And step forward and open up to the front. So, all together, you're gonna step forward with your right, pivot to the back, step forward with your right, and pivot to the front. Let's try it a few times a little bit faster. Step forward, pivot to the back, step forward, pivot to the front. Again, step forward, pivot, step forward, pivot. Two more times. Step forward, pivot, pivot. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is a pivot turn. Next, we are going to do chaîné turns. This is a 3-step turn. You're going to take 3 steps to do this. So starting with the right, you're going to step out with your right foot, and you're going to turn over your right shoulder and your right arm. So you're going to turn, this is step 2, just do a half turn to the back, and then you're going to do one more turn with your right foot to the front. So going back, you have your right foot, turn, half turn. So it's 3 steps. We have 1, 2, 3. Try it with me to the right. Right foot, turn, left foot, turn, right. Do it again, a little faster. 1, 2, 3. One more time, and then we'll try it to the other side. 1, 2, 3. Good. Now to the left, you're going to do the same thing, but with the left foot. You're going to step out with the left, turn over your left shoulder to the back. One more turn to the front. Again, 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. One more time to the left. 1, 2, 3. Good. Now let's try it to the right and to the left. Hands on your hips, step out with the right, turn to the back, turn to the front, and touch. Now to the left. Step out with the left, turn to the back, to the front, and touch. Do it again a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3. Together. 1, 2, 3. One more time. All together. 1, 2, 3. Touch. 1, 2, 3. Touch. Good. And let's see. Our last thing that we're gonna learn, super simple. You're just gonna put your hands on your hips and you're gonna step out to the right and touch your feet together. Step out to the left, touch your feet together, step. Touch your feet together, step. Touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch. And you can do this to warm up for as long as you want. So let's go over all of the moves that we just did. Starting with grapevine, to the right, we have step out to the right, cross back, step out, touch together, out with the left, cross, out, together. Do it a couple times with me. 1, 2, 3, together. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3, together. 1, 2, 3, together. Good. And then next we have the pivot turn. So you're going to step forward with your right foot. Pivot, open your legs to the back. Step forward with your right. Pivot to the front. Step forward, pivot, forward, pivot. Do it 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. And then next we had chaîné turns. Starting with the right side, we have step out to the right, half turn to the back, to the front, and together. To the left, half turn to the front, together. Remember, these are 3 steps. Let's do a couple all together. 1, 2, 3, together. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3, together. 1, 2, 3, together. Good job, you guys. In the next video, we're going to be putting all of those moves together and making a dance.